so I've got out my Costco Nativity scene. I always use this one every year. We're going to decorate it with pampas grass so it looks all rustic and everything, and it's going to be pretty nice. All ready! I started off with a satin gold table runner, and then I'm using a beige organza and wrapping around wire just to bunch it up so that it's easier to work with. For the pampas grass, I've got 6 stalks on each bouquet and I'm trying to flay them out. It looks really strawy for this. It's kind of hard because they're freshly cut, so the leaves haven't had a chance to dry out and puff out as much. I'm not great with flowers, but I'm trying my best. And I'm tying them together with masking tape because that's what I have. I put some nice acorn ribbon that's quite classic looking, that's also from Costco, and just tied that round them. The figures in this nativity set are really nice. They're resin and they're really well painted. They're really sturdy, really good quality, and I would definitely buy them again if ever I accidentally smash these ones. Every year the Christmas lights come out so tangled up, and these are copper wire lights, which means tangling is so much worse. I used black glittery leaves to go in behind the pampas grass. I didn't really want them to be part of the palm tree looking sections. I wanted them to represent the night sky. I added a gold star of Bethlehem and little bits of black organza just to add a bit more interest. So here it is, all finished. I did decide that it was a bit bland with just cream on it, so I used black in the end to go behind, and I kept it behind the pampas so it would be like the night sky. I got rid of the painting and added a star up here instead to tie it in. Yeah, it's looking very fluffy and very finished. If you enjoyed watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great Christmas.